latex mold using my skull because these things aren't available year-round and I do tend to need them. So I'm gonna attempt to make the mold that I need so I'll have it year-round. I'm using Mold Builder. Bought it from the Hobby Lobby. They sell it on Amazon, $16.99 at the Hobby Lobby in my area. I have clay to go around, clay just to seal it out. I don't have anything to secure it down to my mat. I'm using a regular cutting mat to sit it on. So let's get started. And I do want to say this is my first time doing this, so I have no idea what we're going to end up with. I don't know what I done with my glue dots, so I won't be sticking it to anything. It'll just kind of be there. And I'm grabbing my clay out of here, kind of rolling it up. To me, it looks good. Okay, I'll let this layer dry, come back and start another one. So this is going to be the 10th coat. finally I'm done. I've managed to get 15 layers of the Mold Builder liquid latex on here. I'm ready to take it off to see what I've created. I've got a little powder here, if I can get the top off. You put the powder on there just so it doesn't stick to itself. We got everything covered. All right, let's see what I've got. Looks like I did get a bit of color from the skull I was using. No big deal in my opinion. Looks like I've got all the detail. The teeth look really good. The lines in the skull, they look really good. It looks like it's gonna work for what I need it for. So I guess now I'll try to pour a mold and see what it does for me.